Hey everyone, we have decided that we will do our little magic wheel together with Ano and Vongai because we've been having so much fun playing outside. As you can see, somebody is really enjoying being out. What do you like best? What do you like, the flowers or the grass? Which one? You're not sure? You heard it from her mouth herself. This morning they were eating the beach, and today, this afternoon, they are eating the grass. Because it's not enough to be just playing in there, you've got to eat everything around you as well. Anyway, so we came up with this brilliant idea. Well, actually, Daddy did. And Mummy likes it.
Daddy.
Yes, but Daddy's working, sweetie. So we're going to do the spinning wheel. Okay? So, do you want to do the spinning? Or shall Mummy do the first spin? Mummy's going to spin. Are you ready?
No,
So wherever that goes, that's what animal we've got to do.
Go.
And stop.
Like tiger.
Brilliant. Now what animal is that? What's that?
A fishy.
Fishy, and fishy in Shona is hore. So now we have to act like a fishy. Can you do fishy? Swim, 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 swim. Swim, 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 and wave your little fishy tail. Swim, 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 swim. Good little fishy. Ah, brilliant little fishy. Well done. That's a good fishy. Are you doing a fishy as well? I think somebody's doing a fishy because she is covered in water. Yes? And what do we have here?
Fishy.
No. We stopped over here, so we have to stop over there. We have a tiger. A tiger goes rawr. And a tiger in Shona is called Ingwe. Can you say Ingwe?
No.
Okay, this is Ingwe. And Ingwe inoti rawr. You act like a tiger. Rawr, 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 rawr. Ah, tiger! Scary tiger! Rawr, rawr. Oh dear, hello coughing tiger. You okay? Can you be a tiger? Rawr, 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 rawr. Oh no! Tiger's chasing me! Oh! Help, 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 help! She's only joking, sweetie. She's only doing make-believe. It's only a make-believe tiger, not a real one. Right, and now let's do another one. Hold on, Mummy's coming. Let me just pick up baby. There we go, baby. And let's do another one. You have to spin it first. And stop. What do we have here?
Wow.
We have a big elephant. And elephant in Shona is called Nzou. Yes, it kind of sounds like woo, the sound it makes. Nzou. Can we do elephant? Woo, woo, with a big elephant nose. Elephant trunk.
Yeah.
Woo, woo. You're a gruffalo elephant.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Hello, little elephant on Mummy's arm. Yes, baby Nzou. Hello, Nzou. Actually, Gogo wa koba no era Nzou. Yes, you're hiding from Nzou. Woo! Woo! Ah! Hello, Nzou. Ah! Nzou, are you ready for the next one? Okay, do the next one. Are you hiding behind the wheel?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do the next one? You're standing behind the wheel. Okay, Mummy's going to do the wheel then. You're going to do the wheel. Thank you. And spin. And stop. Well done. What do we have here? We have a horsey. And a horsey in Shona is called Bhiza. Bhiza, nay, nay. Hello, little horsey. What a fast little horsey you are. Nay, nay. Catch the horsey. Catch the horsey. The horse is very fast. The horse is chasing us. We should be chasing the horsey. Nay, nay, nay. Oh, Bhiza. Hello, Bhiza. Here's Bhiza. Here's Bhiza. Catch Bhiza. Catch Bhiza. Ah, catch Bhiza. Catch Bhiza. Nay. Nay. Well done, sweetie. Lovely, Bhiza. Can you do another one? Do another one for Mommy. No, you have to spin again, sweetie. And stop. Well done. What is this thing with a long neck and long legs? It's a giraffe. Well done. And giraffe is called Twiza in Shona. Yes, well done. Twiza. Now like a Twiza with its long neck. Look, you have to have, sweetie, Anna. You have to have a long neck. So you have to walk with a long neck. Like a Twiza. Twiza. Oh, with a long neck. Twiza. Anna's a Twiza. 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 Well done. Twiza. What a beautiful Twiza you make. Well, one more. Your feet are cold. Well, Mummy's flip-flops are not going to make them any warmer. Let's do one more. Yeah, let's do one more, then we can do another game, okay? Do you want to spin the wheel, or shall Mummy spin the wheel? Your feet are very cold, yes? No, flip-flops are not very warm. Right, Mummy's going to do this last spin. You ready? And stop. Stop. Oh dear.
We're doing all of them.
You're doing all of them. I can see that. And stop. Oh, stop there. What do we have here? Oh, what's this? No, what's this by the red one?
Goat.
No, that's a piggy. The goat is next to the piggy, but the piggy is where the red bar is. That's a piggy. Yes, like Pepper. And Piggy in Shona is called Nguruve. If Pepper was in Shona, she'd be Pepper Nguruve. Can you say Nguruve? Nguruve? Yes, well done, Nguruve. Saka, when you're doing say Nguruve, you go. Can you be a little piggy? Come be a little piggy with Mommy. Ona Nguruve. 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 Like little Pepper. Oh. Yes, that's Honey Bunny. We're done, so we can play one of your other games, okay? But can you just say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
And we missed you so much. We've just been so busy with summer. And we'll play again with you next time here on Sarura Kids with Ano and Vongai. And Mummy. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks.